specifically for that. Okay? It's an extremely difficult program to work with, therefore the lenders just don't touch it. Okay?
So what about all those properties, and they just sit there until someone basically has cash or something to buy it?
Or, yeah, somebody comes in and, gets a conventional loan and fixes it up. There's still, well, let me take that back. An FH, a lot of these programs go from home path to 203K FHA. Okay? They get switched in the middle because they need work. Okay? An FHA 203K is basically it's FHA's version of a fixer-upper. You come in, you get money to fix it up, you fix it up, and then it's worth more. Okay? So the Fannie Mae renovation program, like I said, it's going to be extremely difficult to find a home for. Okay? Most of those programs will get switched to FHA. Okay? But the Home Path is a good program for if you find a home that doesn't need, like you said, structural work or mold or, exposed wiring or anything like that. If it's a home that was just foreclosed on, but people decide not to beat it up when they left. Okay? Because those are actually 3% down programs. Okay, if you qualify. There's no mortgage insurance, which is huge. I mean, you look at the FHA on a $150,000 house, your mortgage insurance is $140 a month. Right. Okay, so if you can go home, if this home is owned by Fannie Mae, and you can go Home Path, you go Home Path because the rates are good. There's no mortgage insurance. The down payment is actually less than an FHA loan by 0.5%. Okay.
Excuse me, I missed something. I thought you said there were very few lenders who would.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go back. Let me make sure and clarify that. There are two programs. There's a Home Path program and there's Home Path renovation. Okay. They are two completely separate programs. Okay. The Home Path program is out there. Okay. It's readily available for all clients. Okay.
Do you do that?
Yes.
Okay.
The Home Path renovation program is hard to find, almost impossible to find.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so if the home needs work, whatever kind of structural work it needs, and it's not in move-in condition, then you've got to go the Home Path renovation, which I said is almost mythical because it's so hard to find.